dito.
It's a paper. Okay.
O yung high glue, kailangan may attachment tayo ng competition requirement form. Okay. Are you sure you have the attachment of the tournament requirement form? Meron kayo na? Coaches, ha? You check this. Kailangan meron. O, pag hindi na-attach, kailangan nyo i-send sa akin by messenger or email. Okay? Signed by your coach. Okay, ba? Simple as that. For become a red belt, you need to comply at least 3 or participation in 3 national event, 3 regional event. Magdali lang yun. O pag sa black belt, kailangan nyo ng 5 nationals and 5 regionals. Kevin! Low blue, Judy! Okay, sit down. Cross legs. High blue, Judy! Perform tail 4. Si Chuck! Forward stance. Baro. Chalit. Chalit. Check distance. Check distance. Counter shot. Fender shot. Si Chop. Out kick, side kick, fighting stance. Fighting stance. Change from fighting. Baro. Balik. Saan kayo nag-start kanina? Fighting stance ulit. Now you'll perform number 13. 13. Counter shot. Fender shot. Chop! Fight stance should be chop! Just one thing, first time, natamaan kayo dyan, atras kayo. Pwede kayo mag-window. Uncover. Ready? Show me your fast kick. Ilan effective yung kick. 45 kick. 1, 2, change foot. 1, 2, change foot. Roundhouse kick. 1, 2, change foot. 1, 2, change foot. Punch kick. Ready? Punch kick. 1. You see your foot. 2. Change foot. 1, 2. Change foot. Full foot kick or foot kick. 1, 2. Change foot. 1, 2. Change foot. Skipping 45 kick or stepping 45. 1, front leg yan. 2, front leg football. 1, 2, change foot. Shout now. Hindi sumigaw. Okay, may minus yan. 1, 2, change foot. Okay, we'll do combination. 1 leg, combination kick. Ready. So, mag-kick, left foot muna. 5 stance, left foot na mag-kick, front leg kicking. This is front leg kicking. You don't need to change your step. Front leg kicking, combination, see, chop! Right foot, right foot, right foot, right foot, left foot, sorry, left foot, go, left foot. Left foot, go, go. Left foot, left foot. Come on, change foot. Ready, stop. Oh, show me yung mount guard muna. Mount guard. Asan mount guard?
Airang! Airang!
Okay, kailangan yan kasi sa competition you cannot compete without mount guard. So kailangan may mount guard. Okay, and protection yan. Okay, chalit. Chalit. For your headgear and mount guard. Mount guard muna and then headgear.
Mount guard, naka-brace.
5 seconds to be shot! Shot! Stop! Go! Okay, clear. Take yourself. Kill it. Go each other. Okay, shake hands for fist bump. Okay. Oh, girls muna. Mamaya na yung boys. Okay, yun sa black belts or brown belt na naglaro ng yung face, get your medal for your recognition. Sabay na natin dito. Okay, sit down. Okay, so wala na dyan sa labas. Okay, so far so good. May iba, okay. Yung forms, okay naman. Yung nga lang, yung iba may kumanasaktan or naiyak. So you have to make an assessment sa sarili mo din. Bakit ako tinamahan doon? Diba? Bakit tinamahan sa mukha? Ano ba yung mali ko? Hindi naman yung visible king yung tumama sa inyo. Di ba? Di ba superhuman yung tumama na yung mga kasbanig nyo? Siguro baka mas marami lang yung training na ginawa niya, yung preparation niya. So kaya mo yung pantayan yun. And then maginig sa coach, maginig sa parents. Ha? So, yung results, just ask the coaches about the result. Kasi minsan, hindi agad lumalabas yung result. Minsan, 1 month na, wala pa rin yung result sa central gym. Pero definitely, I will recommend naman, wala naman pumagsak eh. So, you pass. Ito lang naman yan. So, by authority given to me, by the Philippine Taekwondo Association sa Motang Colored Belt, pass the test and promoted to one rank higher. Congratulations. Okay? And then, yung mga going to red belt na, high blue to low red, kailangan nyo mag-submit ng tournament requirement form. Coaches, ha? Kasi i-check ko rin ulit yun. Kung walang attachment, mamukulit ako sa inyo. Okay? Sana. Come here. Okay, so sabay ko lang yung recognition ko sa one of my students who participated in the Nueva Ecija Taekwondo Championships. Okay? Sino ba dyan? Wala nagdala? Okay, so 2 gold medal. Gold medalist in Punse. Gold medalist in Peru. Palakpakan naman natin. Okay? So mga potential, malay natin, national champion, pagiging national hindi. Hoping. Okay, man? Okay, thank you. Go up! Questions? Ako, gutom na rin ngayon kasi ako gutom na ako eh. Okay, Chalet, picture tayo. Yung lahat ng dito, maliliit, yung mga bunso natin. Dito na sana, hindi kayo makikita dyan. Dali, sa harap. Sa harap. Yan. Sa harap. And then, sumunod yung mga may kalakihan na rin. Sige, dali, sumunod. Tapos, adjust. Sabay-sabay na. One picture na tayo. With the coaches and black belts. Chalet!
Okay, picture na. Lapit na dito. Press.
Sige. Chalet! Chalet! So I would like to thank Walter Mark for the generosity na pahiram sa ating activity area. And syempre, ito sa mga black belts under me na mag-serve dito sa ating event. Black belts, thank you. And syempre, coaches, mga nandito, congratulations din sa inyo. Okay, ito sa mga students nyo. And kita ko, nag-improve din. Then, parents po, to the proud parents, thank you very much po for supporting your child in this in their endeavor sa Taekwondo. Chalit! Sangge, chalit! O, coaches nyo. Dito yung coaches. Dito yung mga coaches. Chalit! Nasaan na yung iba? Nagtatago pa rin. O, chalit! O, the black belts. O, dito yung black belts. Sino ba yung mga black belts pa? O, chalit! O, hindi dahil sa kanila. O, mahirapan ako na kung wala sila. Chalit! Chalit! Okay, dismiss. Okay. O, yung big boys natin, tulungan nyo kung mag-dismantle ng match natin, ha? Mag-dismantle. Yung MD kung nandyan pa,